He wants to hold it.
Alright, I guess no one can beat him at this game. The consequence of fighting? Getting sent home by mum. Remember this lesson, boys. Oh my, this gang is totally lawless. They've got some real guts.
The monkey.
This must be why introverts are afraid to start conversations with strangers. Let me learn the trade. I'll help you take care of those houses in the future. Look at him. I believe love just blossomed in that monkey's heart. The evolution of mankind summarized in 10 seconds. Girl, what would you do without me? Oh dear, how can you wear your hair like this? When it comes to following drama, species differences don't matter at all. Don't worry, my twin brother. I'll do my best to get you out. What's this? Are they planning to charge a toll here? He definitely prefers being fed by a pretty girl over some big guy. This path should have a warning sign about food theft.
What's he got this?
He's got a pizza.
When you want a banana, but mum says no new groceries until you finish what's at home.
Just like that, cash.
He should host a session to share the secrets of his success.
Nah, my M4 just got jacked.
With two evenly matched rivals like this, it's impossible to predict who will win. Oh man, you should learn to ask politely instead of like this.
Oh, that's awesome. Look.
When multitaskers forget what they were doing. As long as everyone is together, they're probably not afraid of anything. He's found the perfect way to capture the crowd's attention. It's actually working really well. Ah, finally. My favorite human. You always understood me the best. In this case, should we call the police or the zoo? Not sure who came up with this challenge, but they're all brave souls. He must have had some powerful backing to act so cocky.
Oh, yes.
悠悠他抓着你的胳膊，他抓着你的裙子，那行，你再给他一个，对吧？这个也给他吧，对，给他吧。他抓着你的裙子，好，你走吧，没了，你给拍拍手，你让他看看，拍拍手，没了，哎。
Makes sense, since we do share the same ancestors after all. A circus performer this skilled definitely deserves a round of applause. Gorillas are surely the naughtiest kids in the animal kingdom. Stay tuned for the next video.